see, it's very gestural the way that I'm drawing. Very scratchy. So a lot of you tend to draw very precise, cutting into the paper or indenting the paper with your mechanical pencils. As you can see, I'm using a drawing pencil. Okay, so and I'm holding my pencil lightly. All right, next you see that I drew a shape of the nostrils and the bottom of the nose, and you can have the nose going up or down, but you can add more detail later. Okay, so the lip, the bottom of the lip should come to the earlobe, and sometimes it can be a little higher, and then the top of the lip should go just below the nose. Okay, so there I have a loosely drawn face. So then you can start adding details like the pupils, the eye, the eyebrows. Okay, and we can make this person look a little less angry. Alright, so, but we're not really going to focus on this in pencil because the objective that we have, and then you can make the chin smaller. Okay, then what you want to do, because we are doing this, we want to make a neck. So, listen students. Alright, so the next thing I want you to do is I want you to take your quill pen, and this is a nib tip, and it's an A tip, so it's the smallest type of tip of a pen. And I want you to go over some of your lines, okay, and to add shadows, just like if you were a cartoon, if you were drawing a comic, you could do things like, and I'm going to trace the neck, you could do things like hatching. And hatching is drawing lines in just straight lines, okay? Or you could do something called cross hatching. So I'm going to demonstrate cross hatching below the neck of the...
Does it just have to be a car?
Yeah, it could be a truck, or it could be an animal walking on the road. It could be a train track. Who likes trains in here? Yeah.
What do you think when he was drawing he had a train?
It could be a roller coaster. It could be a Ferris wheel. So you've got things like balance, radial balance. You've got symmetry in the face. All right, you've got value in the hair. Okay, now, I have told you guys that I do want you to use things to add color to the face. So you have options of either using watercolor paint, so here's your watercolor paint, or you can use dry pastels, but by wetting the pastels. So
yeah, that's a pretty good idea.
what you can do is you could wet a pastel and paint with the pastel, because pastels can be used how? How?
Water.
Are pastels a wet and dry medium?
Yep. Yes.
Right. Is watercolor paint a dry medium? No. So pastels have an advantage of being both a drawing medium and something that you can paint with.